Hey ladies, welcome back. I didn't even realize how much of my life was built around who I used to be until that version of myself just didn't fit anymore. And the hardest part was letting go of a life that still looked fine on the outside, but didn't feel right anymore. I think a lot of us reach that point, but we don't recognize it at first. We just feel off. You're doing the same routines. You're wearing the same things, showing up the same way. But inside, something shifted. And instead of questioning it, we just try to push through it. For me, again, it showed up in small ways. Things that I used to enjoy, they didn't excite me anymore. The way that I showed up in the world felt outdated. Even the way that I saw myself felt tied to the old version of me that no longer existed. And that's a hard thing to admit. Because letting go of your identity, because letting go of who you are can feel like losing part of your identity. But here's what I had to learn. You're not losing yourself. You're outgrowing a version of yourself. And there's a difference. Growth doesn't always feel exciting. Sometimes it feels uncomfortable, uncertain. It can even feel a little scary. So I started to ask myself better questions. What still feels like me and what doesn't? What am I holding on to out of habit? And what would I choose if I wasn't trying to be who I used to be? And I have to clarify, I didn't change everything overnight. I just started letting go little by little. Okay, so letting go, that's one thing. But rebuilding, that's where the real work starts. In my next video, I'm going to share exactly how I started rebuilding my confidence after 50. Step by step. Because that part, that changes everything. Until next time, my friends. Bye.